In this video, we're going to be talking about iPhone making random calls and how you can actually fix this problem. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do it. And the first is going to be by disabling voice dialing, because this could be a problem you might be facing. Simply head into your settings, look for Face ID and passcode and tap on that. Once you do that, simply enter your password and you're going to be inside of this right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and turn off the voice dial option right over here, as you can see. So that is going to be the first one. The second reason you could be having this problem is because of tap to wake. So in order to go ahead and turn off tap to wake, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your general settings. And then simply go ahead and look for accessibility and tap on that. And now over here, all you want to do is simply go ahead and look for touch. Tap on that, and as you can see, there's going to be tap to wake right over here. You can turn that off because normally what happens is sometimes when your phone is in your pocket, it might be dialing or making random calls. So if none of those are the option, then try updating your software and try restarting. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.